Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is a quick intro to my mystery box collab video. We added a gift card. So all of the winners of the videos, there should be 12 channels, there'll be 12 winners. Those 12 winners will be put into a drawing on Tracy and Chloe Unboxing and More's channel. And that person, one person will be chosen, and that person will win a $60 gift card to their choice of Target or Amazon. So very beneficial for you to watch all of the channels. Here's my video. Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is Blue, and y'all, this is the Mystery Box Bonanza collab. And this collab has quite a few channels in it, so I'm not going to mention all the channel names. I will have a playlist below, and Tracy and Chloe's Unboxings, Beauty and More, and Miss Jackie Russell are the co-hosts of this collab. So Tracy does all our beautiful artwork, our ads, and our thumbnails. So I wanted to thank her for that, and I wanted to thank both ladies for inviting me to this collab. It's going to be a lot of fun. They were talking about this for a while, and I got this a little bit ago. So this is a mystery box from Winky Lux. So Winky Lux is a makeup company. They are an Asian makeup company, and they have beautiful, everything they have is beautiful. So if Blue will move a little bit, I'll show you. It's just a plain box, as you know, you can see, but when you open it up, it was taped and everything. When you open it up, it looks like this inside. This is what it looks like when you get started. So it says Winky Lux, clean, kind, and cruelty-free. And if you've never seen products by Winky Lux, they are stunning. Everything's stunning. They have beautiful things. So, all right, Blue. This cost $40, and it was my first time buying from them. So when you go into a website, a lot of times they want you to sign up for an email. And I did, and they sent me a $5 coupon. So I used it. So I paid $35. And then y'all, I won't talk about this too much, but I did use Rakuten to make this purchase, and I got $1.85 back from Rakuten. So that comes in handy. Rakuten money, I know $1.85 doesn't sound like a lot, but when you use it regularly, it adds up. I have my information below. If you sign up under me, you'll get $30. I'll get $30. You have 90 days to spend. You have to spend $30, and then you'll get the $30. So thank you if you do sign up under me. But anyway, let's go on with Winky Lux. So pretty. And it is difficult with Blue right here, but okay, they did say that this would be, let me see if I have the description of it, I believe. It said that it would have a bag. It says that it's valued at, it said it was valued at $105, but it's actually, I looked through already, and it's valued at $115. It has a bag, and this is the bag. The bag is valued at $12, and some things, see, I went through a little bit to get off the plastic, but I didn't take this out. Sorry, I didn't. This is so cute. Look at how adorable this is. A nice little makeup case. It has a little tag thing there you can hold when you're zippering. Both ends have that. And can you see that shimmer going on? It's that iridescent stuff. So this is a good size makeup bag. It's got a cute pink zipper. All right, boys, now smudge is coming up too. Inside it's just lined with a white, kind of a silky. You can wash that out. You can wash this out, wash this off if something were to spill. It does say Winky Lux. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pink on that iridescent, so very difficult to see, but it's a good size bag. It's so smashed I can hardly show you everything, but I'll put things in as we go. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you is Skinny Plump. See, look at the packaging, y'all. The packaging is stunning. Just gorgeous. And this is Corner Office is the color of this. This is a lippy, I'm assuming. So it is so pretty. See, look at just how pretty that is. And it's a lippy. It is a lippy, and it's just a good, basic sort of neutral. I'll swatch it for you. Just a nice neutral base. Some people will use this kind of a color under another lip color, but look at how beautiful the component is. It is gold, and it turns up. So beautiful. And that packaging, like I said, like everything, it's like that. This lippy is valued at $17, and it is supposed to be a plumping lipstick. So $17 for that. And next we have one of their most famous products. And you may have, if you've never heard of Winky Lux, you may have heard of this product. This is their Unibrow. Now here comes Miss Camille. This is probably their most famous product, the Unibrow. This is supposed to be able to be used by everybody. It's a universal color pencil crayon for your eyebrows. So one end has the wax or whatever you want to call it in there for your eyebrows, and it's a very light. And the other end, I think, is a brush. Yeah, the other end is like a spoolie brush, so you can fix it. And they're very famous for this. It's a nice, very nice product. And that is valued at $18. And next I have this product. This is the Extra Lash. Look at, look at that gorgeous packaging, y'all. Can you see all the flowers on there and the gold? And it's just so pretty, so pretty. And this is mascara, and this is adorable. This is, they call this a mini mascara. This is valued at $9. And it's a cute little mascara. Cute for traveling. I do like their mascara. I've used it before. And next we have this Pink Lemonade. This is Ombre Blush. And again, beautiful packaging. And in here is this very pretty compact. It's a little smudgy there. It's gold, and it's like a mirror. Pink Lemonade. And difficult to show because of that. It does say Winky Lux on the front, and it's just gold colored. And let me get it open and I'll show it to you. Oh, there's this little screensaver on it. There's a mirror on one side, and then, oh, this is so pretty. It's an ombre effect. Can you see that? Well, that's what it said on the package, but it's very beautiful. Orange to pink, pink to orange, depending which way you look at it. Very beautiful. And then this is sitting in here, which is nice. You know, kept it shipping from breaking or anything, which is nice. And that is valued at $20. And next we have two products left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 products, including the bag. So 6 products in the bag. We have this beautiful flower balm. Winky Lux Flower Balm. Look at how beautiful. I just hope you can see that. It's hard to, it's hard to show it on film. This is just, it says blue. And this is what it looks like. Looks like a little pill, a big pill. And it does say Winky Lux here, and it's this pretty pink and gold. And then this lippy is clear. Well, it has a blue tint to it, and it has a flower in it. Can you see that blue flower? And then I'm almost positive when you put this on, it changes, based on your pH, it'll change your lip color, like a pink, be like pink. But isn't that pretty with the blue flower in there? Hope you all can see that. So pretty. So pretty. Another thing that they're famous for. And then last but not least, y'all, I thought this was such a great bargain. A total of $115. There is this beautiful box. And this is the Wakey Wakey. These are the hydrogel eye patches. So look at it. Everything's so pretty. And here it is. Beautiful. And there are 30 pair in here, I believe. Let me see where it's going to tell me that. Rise and Shine Sunshine. So there's 60 masks in here, so 30 pair, because they're under eye masks. So when you open this up, you have this little scoop here that'll help you lift up your eye mask, eye patch, and that keeps it nice and secure so it doesn't get dried out. Doesn't really have a scent. These are beautiful. They have stars in them. Can you see that? I hope you can. If I turn it too much, liquid's gonna fall out, so I don't want to do that. But you can see there's stars in here. So let me see if I can. There's a, oh, that's nice. There's a nice sort of screensaver on it, and there one of the eye masks stuck to it. So you can see the glitter in there. I'm excited to use those. I love eye masks. And these eye masks are $22 just for this. So this is a great value. Like I said, it was $40. First time buying, made it $35. And I got money back from Rakuten. So $115 value here, y'all. We've got the eye masks, the beautiful blush, which I really can't show you straight on or it'll blind you. The mascara, the mini mascara, which I think is still a good size. It's a lot of minis that we get like in Glam Bag is a lot smaller than that. This unibrow that anybody can use. This super cute bag, and the flower lippy, and this beautiful lippy, which I swatched here. So that's what we got in the Wiggy Luxe mystery bag. And y'all, you will have to be subscribed to everybody in the playlist. And you'll have to comment on everybody's video. And you'll have to be publicly subscribed. Publicly subscribed. I say it all the time. Y'all don't necessarily listen. I hope you will this time, because I do a lot of collabs. And a lot of you are not publicly subscribed. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, please ask me. And I'll be happy to help you with that. You have to be publicly subscribed to win one of these giveaways. There's as many channels as there are here. We're all doing a giveaway. So you want to be included in that. So make sure that you are publicly subscribed and leave a comment below. Say the word beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, in a sentence, please. And that is my word for my video. So everybody will have their own instructions. You need to listen to their instructions as to know what to do. And I'll have all the instructions or the giveaway rules in the description. I'll have the playlist in the description. And you have to be have an address in the US for me to send this to. You can live anywhere in the world. I just have to be able to mail it somewhere in the US. And you have to be 18 years or older to participate in a giveaway on YouTube. And I am not responsible for if this is lost or stolen. I will get you a tracking number in the mail, whatever. Your giveaway will be a secret, a mystery giveaway. I don't have enough time to show you. And what else? If you are, hopefully you're not allergic to anything. If you are, you will make sure you test things before you use them. And all my rules are in the description because I know I'm missing something. So y'all, just YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. That's it, I think. So it's good to see y'all. I went through that a little bit fast, but we have a lot of videos to watch. So y'all, I hope you enjoy this collab, and thank you so much to Tracy and Chloe and to Miss Jackie Russell. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.